Welcome to More Trucks by Duck Duck Moose.
Let's go. We're gonna do the fire truck.
Woof, woof.
This is the fire. Let's play tic-tac-toe.
Let's play a game of tic-tac-toe. It's a tie. Aw, try again. You win!
Oh, there's a fire.
There's a fire! Press and hold the arrow buttons to drive the fire truck. There's a fire! Quick, drive the fire truck using the arrows to find the fire. Press and hold the fire truck. There's another fire. Drive the fire truck to find it.
Let's go. Fire. Let's put it out. Here, take it. You don't know how to.
You put out all the fire. You did it!
Great job. Scrap heap.
Drag the magnet to pick up a car, then move it over the junk pile and let go to drop it. Stack the cars as high as you can. Tap the truck to go back and pick up more cars.
Luckily we got it. And finally the right car. Here's the police car. Go. And that's a funny result. Look at dinosaurs. Alright, now I'm construction.
Drag the crane over an item, then tap the claw to pick it up.
Get away from heavy material. Do it.
Now tap the crane to bring your item to the wrecking ball. Now tap the crane to bring your item to the wrecking ball.
Oh, so much.
Move the wrecking ball up and down, then pull it back and let go to swing it. Move the wrecking ball up and down, then pull it back and let go to swing it. The pile was too tall. Move the crane to put the item somewhere else.
wrecking ball. That's actually okay.
Drag the crane over an item, then tap the claw to pick it up. The pile was too tall. Move the crane to put the item somewhere else.
Wow. Let's go take it. Thanks all for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, thanks, bye.